guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another black pour. Got some black. And some pink. And some green. And a piece de résistance. It's a little bit of blue. Le bleu, le bleu, le bleu. They're all the neon colors I used before. But as you can see, I bought Floetrol, so see how that works. I also bought a torch, but I haven't taken it out yet. I'm a little scared to use it. So, anywho's, I'm gonna put my gloves on. It'll be messy. Wish me luck. By the way, make sure you watch this video till the end. There will be an interesting development. So don't skip it. Watch till the end. Put it this way. I don't think it's gonna matter too much. Okay, so let's put down the first layer, the black. You gotta mix it up a bit. Make sure there's no lumps. And I think I might have made it a little too thick, but I think it should work out anyway. So here we go. Black. So what we're going to do today is a Dutch pour, which is you pour the colors in the middle, one by one, into the puddle, and then you blow it over either with your mouth or you push it over with a stick, the base color, and then you blow it out either with your mouth again or with a hairdryer. And that's Dutch pour. So as you can see, out comes the hairdryer, and I'm blowing it over, trying to, and then blowing it out after. There you go. after blowing it out, I saw a jellyfish. So I figured, what the heck, let's make some tentacles or whatever those things are. So I just carved some lines into the black and got some more paint out and tried to make it look like a jellyfish. Kind of look like an undersea creature. That's how that whole little series, mini-series started. Kind of like a deep sea creature. That's how it looks like. By the way, I'm sorry for the really bad video quality. I had to do it at night, and my camera doesn't work well with black apparently. Can't handle the colors. So I think with the Floetrol, it's just the colors are not as vibrant, and they might flow better, but look what happened after. When it was dry, you barely could see any of the details anymore. So I'm trying to figure out what to do with it next. So I don't know, my Floetrol experience might not have been so great. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get notified when there's brand new videos up.